Look at the pitch build up here. Look at this. That's all sap.
Earlier this year, we cut a really big log in half with an equally big chainsaw. Actually, there are several videos on our channel about splitting logs, but what some of you might want to know is what happens to the log after that. I mean, clearly, a giant half log isn't the final product, so what is? These logs make various sizes of stock for stringed instruments. This all depends on log size and characteristics, so let's follow the manufacturing process for one of our logs, number 370. So for each of our instrument logs, we take a small sample and bring it to our lab, and then we can analyze certain characteristics. So in this case we have log 370, a weight of 68 grams and a volume of 208 cubic centimeters, and gives us a 0.33 for specific gravity. More on that in another video.
Still see the pitch buckets. It's a big 5-foot diameter log we split in half. Well, it finally got turned into instrument wood. This is what it looks like sawn up as bass tops and cello tops. It's a nice looking tree.